we're going to learn how to import media and start to do some basic editing in Premiere Pro. First thing that we're going to do is understand what all of these screens are, and we're going to do those step by step. So first one is down here. This is going to be where all of your files are. Whatever we use for files need to be imported into Premiere Pro so we can actually access them and manipulate them. Easiest way to do that, Command-I is import. You can also go to File, Import. And what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to our video folder. And you can see that there's interviews right here. I'm going to import those, and now they're going to be accessible inside of the actual Premiere Pro. I'm going to take there was 2 cameras here. I'm just going to take the wide and double click it. Once that happens, it shows up in the source monitor or the preview window right here. I can left click and drag and scrub through this, and that's going to be the entire raw video that I took of the interview. Now for our interviews, what we're going to do is we're not going to use any of the kind of downtime of the questions being asked. The questions are going to be rephrased in the answer, so we're just going to take the times where I start to talk. So you can left click and drag here. The other really important things, J, K, and L is reverse, pause, and fast forward. So that's going to help me. I can watch this in 2 times. And left arrow and right arrow are going to go step by step through the timeline as well. Left arrow and right arrow are really good. So I can say go slowly and really find out where I start. So right here, if I'm going to start right here, I'm going to set this as my endpoint. I'm going to press the I key, then spacebar to play.
Northampton Open Media is crucial to the success of
So I start over. So
Northampton.
I'm going to left arrow. I'm going to press the I key. This is where I'm going to start it. Spacebar to play. It's going to play. I'm going to press the L key to speed it up.
It's hard to work sometimes with the bureaucracy of education and getting the things that you need. It can often take months to get equipment. With Northampton Open Media, we can say emergency battery replenish. We can send an email, and we also have students as board members at Northampton Open Media who can communicate these kind of vital needs and get them within days.
So that right there, there's a certain art to actually where to cut here. So I make my point right here, and now I'm going to press my O key. Once you have that, you have this little highlighted part right here. You're going to left click and drag from here into our timeline sequence. Once it's put in there, now we actually have that clip prepped inside of our actual last finished timeline. This is a preview of the timeline right here. This is called the program window. This is actually what is going to export. This is your actual video right here. So you go Command-I to import. Set your in and out points by I and O. You drag it down here. Also, if you want to drag video only or audio only right here. And this is going to be your final part. Then you just keep on building this way.